Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing few tips and tricks that you can follow while you are making your TAT stories. So TAT is thematic apperception test. So in this test you are shown 11 pictures back to back on which after looking at the picture for 30 seconds you will have to make a story, and for that you will be given 4 minutes to write, and this process will go till you reach at the 11th picture, and the 12th picture is a blank picture. So 12th picture, in this you have to bring your creativity and make your own story. So if I tell you that how to get ideas or themes while writing TAT. So TAT, while writing TAT stories, you have to resonate yourself with whatever picture is shown to you. You may be a sports player. So if a sports player is there, be it a badminton player, a football player, so you can just make yourself the badminton team captain or the football team captain, and then as a captain of your team, how you led your team in preparing for some interstate competition, and then you all practiced, focused on muscle strength building, then on your penalty corners you practice day and night along with your college, and then how you win it. Okay, so in this way, you being yourself, you may be a working candidate. So as a working candidate you have to make stories around the team leader, the project manager, the sales manager, then how you helped the company to increase its sales, its growth. So in this manner, on these themes you will have to make actions around them and then put it down into a story of around 100 to 120 words. Not more than that is required, because in 4 minutes आप इससे ज़्यादा लिख भी नहीं सकते हैं. बस इन सब चीज़ों को आपको एक अच्छे से पैराग्राफ में पेन डाउन करना है, एंड देन इन दिस यू विल हैव टू टेक केयर दैट इन इनिशियल 2 to 3 लाइन्स यू विल हैव टू राइट वॉट लेड टू द सिचुएशन. मतलब इस स्टोरी में, इस पिक्चर में जो आपने देखा, ये पिक्चर क्यों हुई. बेसिकली द पास्ट में ऐसा क्या हुआ था कि ये जो सीन मुझे दिख रहा है इस पिक्चर में, दिस हैज़ हैपेंड. देन द सेकेंड पोर्शन विल बी द मेन content writing that you have to do in your 100 words. That will include 6 to 7 lines. So there you will have to write what is happening right now. So first you wrote what led to the situation, then what is happening, the currently what is happening in the picture. You will include all the actions in those 6 to 7 lines, and then last 2 to 3 lines will be what will happen, like what was the future outcome, बाद में उसके क्या होगा. Okay, so what led to the situation, what is happening, and what will happen. So in these 3 ways you will have to write down your entire story of 100 to 120 words, and then you will have to finish it off within 4 minutes. Okay, one suggestion, one tip that most of the students avoid is जब उन्हें 30 seconds के लिए पिक्चर दिखाई जाती है, they rush, because see, there is pressure of time, there is pressure of writing, then you will have to take care of your handwriting also, the words and everything is there. Okay, सो वहाँ पे आपको क्या नहीं करना है, आपको जो 30 सेकेंड्स के लिए पिक्चर दिखाई जा रही है ना, आपको वहाँ पर ये कोशिश नहीं करनी है कि आपने पहले से जो भी प्रैक्टिस करी है, मे बी आपने घर से आप 20 स्टोरीज प्रैक्टिस करके गए हैं, तो आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि कोई भी पिक्चर आएगी मैं उन्हीं 20 स्टोरीज में से वो एक स्टोरी लिख दूंगा. नो, मेनली आपको वो पिक्चर देखनी है, अच्छे से परसीव करनी है, अच्छे से आपको देखना है हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर और वो कर क्या रहे हैं. देन डिसाइड द थीम and then start writing. So I would suggest you that utilize your 30 seconds very efficiently. 30 seconds में make up your mind what will you be writing in your next 4 minutes, because when you will practice you will get to know that 4 minutes are more than enough to write half paragraph. Okay, so do not waste your 30 seconds in just writing. First make up your mind, make up your theme, and then start writing. All right, thank you.